Won't you go and bathe? You are sweating so you can get ready for me.
As body dey hot now, so me will just rush to am as dey hot. You know, so day no go don't break. You go say you want to go house, but they for not see you. Eh? They say I wish that Ashaaawo begin to tell customer say make customer bath. I beg like that, I put on quick. Customer are always right. I beg. Sure. This one where I face Ashaaawo wake up. They be know they break Ashaaawo for work. Ashaaawo. Ashaaawo. What's going on here now? Hello, madam. Madam, wake up. They don't break since now. Madam! She can't wallow with this. Ashaaawo! Madam, I beg you go wake up. Wake up, may you come, they come out. They don't break. She can't wallow with this. God, if you fit do this one for me, just this last one, I swear God, I know carry Ashaaawo again. I beg you, help me. Help me. Hello, Ben. Bro, Alpha, where are you? Where you dey? I beg meet me for house while I dey, I beg.
Solo? Now that is good, that so.
No, but what I tell you, she have been like this since past 2 days. Now she don't dey like this.
Solo, 2 days?
Yeah. And na 10,000 we take carry her before.
10,000? Solo, you too like with this sheep. See what you don't put, you know. How want work now? Solo, not to call police. You see? Not to call police now.
Matter one no, I want to settle. You see, make I call police. What I want to tell police?
What?
God.
What happened?
You asking me what happened? Do you know how long you've been lying lifeless here on this bed since the past 2 days?
Ah, baby, is that why you're panicking?
You asking me if that's why I'm panicking? Do you know how you scared the living daylight out of me?
Sorry I didn't tell you. I have this disease that whenever I sleep, I do wake up after 10 days, most times 15 days.
Eh?
Babe, stop shouting. I'm not well rested.
Ha!
Let me sleep small again, please.
Eh?
Finish
Is it?
sleeping.
When you reach your house, you sleep.